What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video, and today we're doing something a little different. It's not really a how-to, it's more like a vlog.
Yeah, we're just kind of messing around in the garage because basically our headlights are E55. They're basically toasted. I mean, we polished them like, I don't know, like 5, 6, 10 times already. And basically the lights, they feel smooth, but they still kind of have like that yellowish tint to it.
Oxidation a little bit.
Oxidation, yeah, but they feel smooth to the touch because they've been polished many times. And if you watch our other videos, you know one of them is shot anyways. The motor in it is like broke, so the headlights like angled down to the ground.
One's down, one's up, yeah.
So we say, you know what, screw it. Let's try something just for the heck of it.
Yeah, so if you guys don't know, obviously you can go like the AutoZone, Walmart, O'Reilly, whatever.
Plugging everybody, Nick.
Well, it's ain't a plug. I'm just saying, you go over there.
Free advertising.
It's free advertising. Ain't giving us nothing. Over here, we're broke. Well, you can go over there and get like these headlight cleaner kits. I mean, yeah. I'm not saying we, or because we detail cars, we do the more professional way with the polish and stuff. And these kits, well, Matt, let's show them.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys what we
got over here.
So obviously, this is like something you would find at Walmart, say Meguiar.
What was this, like $25?
Headlight Restoration kit. I don't know. I think it was like $20-some. We didn't buy it. Somebody gave it to us. So
and we're not getting. It wasn't Meguiar's either. We're not getting paid to do this.
Yeah. So I don't know if it's actually gonna help or if it's gonna make it worse. But we figure since these headlights are basically shot, and we're gonna be out to buy new ones anyways. We might as well, make a video out of it,
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and give it a try.
Yeah, so I'm going to do a little unboxing here for you guys.
Let's see, what does it come with?
What we got in here. All right, so we got some directions.
We don't need that. Toss that in the back.
No, I'm not gonna read the directions, so we're not going to worry about that. We got cardboard. Worry about that. We got a nice little microfiber here. Nice.
That's pretty nice.
Nice. And then we have, I think this is the pad that the sanding little discs go on, so put that there. We have this drill attachment for the polish. It's actually not even polish, it's Plastax, that's what they call it. So
you get that at those stores too for dirt cheap.
Yeah, we'll give that a try. Here's the sanding discs. One is I think 3,000.
3,000, one's 1,000, I think.
One's 1,000. So.
Well, they couldn't even get a couple of those.
And then this is what they gave us in here. They got the Plastax and they got the. That sounds weird. Plastax. Sounds funny. Plastax. And they got the headlight protection. It's supposed to be like a UV protection.
Is that Ceramic Pro?
Yeah, this is actually Ceramic Pro. We're gonna ceramic pro these when we're done. That way they last for 30,000 years, but you never have to wax them again. No, just kidding. But anyways, so that's that. That's what you get in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And first step is to do a little sanding. So I'm gonna do all the work.
I'm gonna do the video.
I'll send you the invoice.
Oh yeah, you can give me nothing.
As usual.
I'm doing nothing.
But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started here.
All right, so here's the headlights. The first thing you want to do, according to these directions over here, use the sander here. Go, back and forth motions, keep it wet.
That's not the first thing, Nick. The first thing
well, you gotta clean it.
The first thing you want to do is you want to clean the headlight and make sure there's no debris on there, and then spray the pad, get it nice and wet, and then start doing some passes on the light and see what we're working with. So
I suggest you do this before you wash the car, not after like we did.
Look, I can feel it taking some stuff off, Nick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A good motion you got there.
Notice how we put the tape on the paint, that way, the sanding distance.
Yeah, we didn't show you how to do that. If you can't do that, then you probably shouldn't be doing this this process yourself.
Yeah,
Go to a professional detailer, let them do it.
How am I doing, Nick? Look good?
Looks pretty good. It said do it until it's completely frosted. Definitely frosted.
I don't think it said use circular motions, but I'm gonna use them anyways because I like it.
I tell you what, if it don't come out good, we're screwed because these are $1,200 headlights. You're coming out of your pay.
Oh yeah.
That's why I'm letting you do all the work. It's gonna come out of your pay.
No, I'll send you the invoice.
But I tell you what, you can see a huge difference between that big one you're working on, the little one right here.
As in it's getting more frosty?
Oh yeah, very. You got some Wendy's frosty action going on.
Some Wendy's action going on?
Wendy action.
What flavor?
I like the chocolate.
I like the vanilla.
You like the vanilla bean.
I like that vanilla bean action.
Now we gotta do.
We use this nice new microfiber.
Wait, are you not supposed to go over with the other one? You rip these up directions.
I think you wipe it off first. You see what where you're working with. I'm gonna wipe it off. See how it looks.
Actually, it says you now start with the other one. Oh my gosh.
There we go. All done. How's it look? Look better?
Oh boy.
We're all done.
All right, so now Matt's gonna go ahead and do that little one while we're doing the process.
Yeah, I figured while I have the 1,000 on there, might as well do it. Look.
Good motion. You gotta get a lot of frosty going on. Let me go and show that one, boy. You can't see nothing in there.
You got that Wendy's action going?
Yeah, you get the Wendy's action. Hopefully this works. I'm not expecting much though for $25.
Yeah, I'm not expecting it to make any difference, honestly. There we go. Look at that. Does it look good? That's it, Nick.
Now, go ahead and hit with the other one.
We're all done. That's it.
All right, now Matt's throwing on, what is this, the 3,000 now?
This is the 3,000, well, I can't even talk. The 3,000.
Let me see.
Grit. So we're going to go ahead and go to town on it. See what this does.
Did you get it wet?
Yeah.
9. Well, I can see it's getting a little bit clearer.
Yeah, I'm saying invoice.
Yeah. Still doesn't fix the fact that they're broke and it's facing down on the road. It'll look better at car shows.
Yeah, it might look a little better until we get the new ones.
That's a shame too, because if it did work and it was only $25 to do this, instead of getting new headlights, you just do this. Everybody, I don't know if you guys know, some of you guys might know if you're watching this video, a lot of W211 owners get those, what are those, plastic lenses on eBay?
Yeah, the aftermarket lens cover.
The aftermarket lens, they look like a E63 211. But I've been reading on the forums, or they just got the lines in them.
We have the lines too, that doesn't change that.
No? Well, either way.
You must not be paying attention.
On the forum, it looks like everybody only gets about a year out of those, and then they get completely destroyed. So I don't know if that's a good solution. You're probably better off just getting new ones from like.
Yeah, spend $1,000 to get the new ones.
You're better off. I mean, if they lasted 10 years, here's the thing: if you have a low mileage car like our E550, I'm not saying it's low miles, but the headlights look like they're brand new. If you just take care of your headlights, wax them or ceramic coat them, they won't get like this. The problem is people neglect these headlights.
Yeah, they wax their whole car. They forget to do this too. But you have to remember this fades too. I don't know. The S3000, it's not looking any better. It looks worse.
Oh boy.
Somebody just screwed them up. Does it look better?
Not really. You gotta throw the polish on there.
Look better?
Alright guys, so next step is you gotta use this Plastex right here, this little tiny bottle. Plastex, boy, that's blurry there, right there. We have a big bottle of it that we use on our own cars, like the old beater cars. So that's what Matt's just finished off that bottle, but you get the little one right there. So as you can see, this is after the 1,000, 3,000. Now it's time for a little polish action.
Yeah, here we go.
Now normally we would use our polisher that we use for detailing, but they give you this in the box, so we're gonna use this.
Yeah, basically we're just trying to show you guys, if you were to buy this, if you don't have all the higher end material.
Yeah, the common man.
Yeah.
Or woman.
Yeah, woman or a general neutral person. This is what you're gonna be using. You're gonna hopefully have a drill, so let's go to town with it and see what it does.
If you make a mess, come on your thing. Oh my gosh, it's stinging all over me. Hey man, you might have to turn up the drill a little bit, that pressure on the drill.
Look, it's there's more on my arm than there is on the car. Look at the mess.
Like I said, don't wash your car until after. Oh yeah, I can see a little bit of clarity. Half that stuff's all over me. I'm about to get a shower now. Matt, turn up the torque on the drill.
Huh? Put up a max?
Yeah.
Maximum overdrive.
There you go.
Hey, it's actually looking pretty good.
My gosh, I can't believe how much it's slinging. I think you might be able to see a little bit coming out on the video. That stuff is going all over the place. Hopefully it's not getting the 550 all full of it. Looks like it's coming out pretty good.
If it gets the 550 dirty, I'll detail that. I'll send you the invoice now.
Oh yeah.
You're
the one doing all the work, so I'm gonna send you a bill.
Oh my.
Wow, actually.
Wow, that's actually really good. Jeez. Holy cow. Way better than I expected.
We'll do a before and after pictures on the.
That was only the first coat too. I'm probably gonna go over and get that Plastex just to see how it works, but I'm actually very, very impressed.
That is the Plastex.
Yeah, but I'm saying I'm gonna go over it twice.
Oh.
Hit it with
Go ahead and do this little one right here. Let me see.
Looks pretty good. Let me look from this angle. It looks.
We'll find out when we do before and afters.
Yeah, we'll do some before and after to see what you guys think. It looks pretty good. I don't know if I would, I don't know if I would do it again.
It's $25.
It's $25. I don't know if it looks that much better, but we'll see.
That's less than putting some gas in your car.
Basically. If you never did like any type of polishing or anything on your headlights, then I would highly recommend it. But because we've done it so many times with actual polish and stuff, this probably is not gonna, be the right choice for us. But
we've never actually wet sanded our headlights though. We've just done the polish.
Yeah.
Go on, milking on there, Matt. Bob Ross it on.
Bob Ross it on there.
My gosh, it's getting all over me. I didn't learn my lesson the first time. I'm standing back here now. Getting the engine bay all dirty. Look at that.
Oh, really?
All right, so Matt got that side done. Now he's gonna do this little one. I don't know if there's much of a difference, to be honest. Well, you see, maybe you put on this, they got this little protection, whatever, maybe make it a little bit better, I don't know.
All it's gonna do is be like a wax, basically.
Glorified wax.
Basically. Get that even coverage before we go to town on it. Nice and slow at first. And you don't want to stay in one spot too long, you'll burn the plastic.
Probably should do a little bit more tape.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Let's see how this is feeling. Feels pretty good.
I'll let Matt do this and we'll come back whenever we get to some finishing results or the next step, whatever comes first. So Matt got both of these all done. This one actually came out really good. This one, not so much, but so obviously the next step is, what is that, Matt, a Protectant?
Headlight Protectant, basically.
It's like a wax.
It's probably gonna be like a wax, yeah, with some UV protection.
Ain't no ceramic in there, that's for sure.
There's ceramic actually in here, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on religiously. Oh yeah, look at that.
Bob Ross it on.
I'm gonna cake it on there like Bob Ross. But yeah, the headlights, I will say the headlights feel extremely smooth. I mean, they feel like glass now.
Yeah, the other side that we haven't done yet, it's like all rough and stuff. I mean, like I said, we've polished these a bunch of times, so they're smooth once they're polished, but now they, you know, over time they get more road grime stuck to them.
That's way too much.
A little bit too much over there, but this side over here after doing this, it definitely feels smooth.
Too much Bob Ross action on this one.
You get more. You should have the tape on there. You get more in the car than you are on the LI.
I'll clean it after. Don't worry. I'll send you invoice when I'm done.
I said you invoice. Making dirty up the car.
Yeah. So we'll let that on there for a few minutes and wipe it off and see what the finished product looks
like.
I
don't think it actually says any directions on there.
It says shake well, and I didn't shake it, so it probably won't work.
There you go. All right, guys. So Matt got it all done over here, and let me go ahead and show you.
Close the hood. Go
ahead, close the hood. Let me see. I don't know. We'll have the before and after picture. Matt can pop it up. Go ahead and pop it right here on the screen, Matt. But we'll take a look right here. I don't think it's that much of a difference. Now, like I said, this car has 418,000 miles on it. I think the headlights are pretty much just shot. We polish these so much.
Actually, a lot of people are gonna look at them and say, "You guys are nuts," because they actually look really good. But
I guess look right here in the camera, kind of looks good. But
in the camera, they look good. But if you look at it from like a side angle, it's got that yellow action going on.
You get some yellow. See that right there?
Wait a minute.
You get the yellow action.
You kind of see a little bit of yellow action going on there. I'm not a huge fan of that. And you can't really see it. You can look at it in person. You can tell it's just not clear. Like, look at this one over here. Look how clear this is. Look. See that chrome? How much brighter the chrome looks? Probably can't tell either.
Yeah, you can't. But either way, I don't know. I don't think. I mean, $25. It might work. It might not. This might not be the best example. I don't know. What do you think, Matt?
I don't know, Nick.
I don't know.
Want to see if we can go find something and try it on?
I think we should go find something else with a lot of miles with some bad headlights. Maybe we'll try to see if this product actually works. What do you think?
Yeah, I see what we did.
All right, let's go find something. Well, it looks like Matt found something. And the headlight's definitely bad. Where the hell do you get this thing at? Oh boy, that headlight's bad. Oh man. Matt, where'd you get this at?
Boosted it myself.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah, I picked it up from a local salvage yard.
You didn't really actually steal this, did you? We're not getting paid enough.
No, I picked it up from a salvage yard.
Oh, you can clearly tell. Well, how many miles are on this?
200.
200? Jeez. Oh my god, that's bad.
You tell in the video, go from the side.
Listen to that.
Look, come from this angle over here. You can see it's got a lot of hazing on there. So we're gonna go ahead and go towel.
All right, so since Matt found this town and country here, 200,000 miles. Salvage yard. We'll give it back to them.
It's actually for sale too. They said, the guy who has it said, hey, somebody wants it, they can have it for like $1,500. So.
$1,500. Well,
we're gonna go to town on it.
Somebody's gonna get a nice new headlight at the salvage yard.
Yeah. So we're gonna start off with like the, what is it, 1000 grit sandpaper. I'm not gonna do any taping off on this because this is a shit box. So the sling's gonna go over the place, but that's okay because, you know,
it's a salvage car.
Salvage.
Not really salvage, but it's at the junkyard, you know. It's a junkyard car. It's a beater, a hunk of junk, a hoopty. Little Johnny Drama reference over there.
It's a beater.
A hunk of junk. That was a good episode. What was that when he was getting punked or something?
Yeah, about that.
Or you got that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone Entourage fans? Leave it down in the comments.
Got paintwork on there too a little bit. There's a bug on there to get the bug off.
You using the right sandpaper?
Oh yeah.
Of course, it doesn't really matter.
There's 1,000. I want to switch to 2,000 or no 3,000.
Put a little water on there.
You get that lube on there. Can't go in dry.
There you go. I wonder if this is actually gonna work. I'll be impressed.
I'll be very impressed if this does work.
If it doesn't work on this, it's not gonna work on anything.
Yeah, so it's
this has been sitting at the local junkyard for about 10 years.
Yeah. It's a hoopty. It's a beater.
They just so happened to leave the keys in it, and Matt was able to get it within a half hour. of the last part of the video.
Not even. I got it in about 10 seconds. They just happened to be conveniently placed on the street, right by our house. All right. I think that's good there.
You think? You need to let it dry. Wipe it off.
I know. I'm gonna wipe it off. I need to get some of that plastics action going on there. See how we're looking. Yeah, I sanded the paint there. It looks like brand new.
Might have to do the whole car.
Sand the whole car. All right, let's see how we're looking. And there we go. There you have it. How's it look? Nick, look good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Feels pretty smooth. So now we're gonna go to town with the plastic.
The hazy's still there though. Look at that.
Yeah, so I can still see it. I don't think it's gonna work.
I think this.
I think this is a gimmick. Give it a try.
Why don't you use another bottle, Matt?
It's empty.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Should be enough. Don't want to go too crazy with it and waste all the product. Gotta get that spread out evenly on the surface. Then I'm gonna go to town with the. Now.
I think it might work better if you didn't use a drill. I mean, that's what they give you in the kit though, so you gotta use it.
I think they did it wrong. I think you should sand with the drill. I think you need to sand with the drill and then do this by hand. I think they did it backwards. But
you're milking that shit on there.
Yeah, I need some more to dry.
All right, so Matt ended up doing this headlight twice. I will say it looks better. It's not, I mean, it's not perfect.
I think it looks better in the camera than it is in person. In person, it's like, eh. Let me see for a second.
Here's the thing.
So you can still see like a nice amount of fog action going on in the middle, but.
Here's the thing. This kit is $25, okay?
$25.
$25. How much a new headlight? Especially if you have an old beater like this.
If you have a salvage car like this, the headlights are probably
$50, brand new.
You're on eBay again for like $50, $60, and you'll be good for a couple years.
You're wasting your time, money, effort, contacts, everything just to use $25 of Meguiar.
We tried on EFD5, it didn't work. We tried on this.
The Soupy.
Yeah,
it looks better.
I will give it that. I say it looks better, but it's not going to look new. And I think it's, you have to be kind of reasonable when you use a product like that. It's not going to look new, but
I think if you did a traditional way, like a detailer would, with the actual, sand and the polish and everything, it would look better.
Yeah.
But like I said, for the purpose of this video, we wanted to use the little box and application to give you kit.
Yeah. So I don't know. I think on this car it did make an improvement. So I will say that. Is it worth spending $25 on? Yeah. If you've never done your headlights before with anything,
get kind of results.
Then yeah, you're gonna see some results. But if you're used to doing other stuff on your headlights, like different like polishes or whatever, don't waste your time with it. And yeah, I think that's basically it. I don't want to go on with this video.
So let's go ahead and close out the video here.
Close it out
so like I said, you're probably better off buying new headlights now. In the case of the E55 here, $1,200. I don't know if it's worth it. Well, in our case, we do have to buy new headlights because it's broke.
Well, at least one's broke.
One of them broke. But either way, if you have a hoopty like this 2002 Chrysler Town & Country, it's for sale. Yeah. It's probably worth spending $25, maybe, I don't know. Me personally, if you have a car with cheap headlights, I will just go on eBay and get brand new headlights with the bulb and everything. So in reality, I probably would not buy this product. Not saying that it's bad, I just probably wouldn't waste my time and money. So
hey, and I'll be fair though. I would say I would buy it. I would buy. I'll be fair. Yeah, I'll be fair.
I'll just get new headlights.
Yeah, I mean, it just depends. In the case of the Mercedes where you get $12 headlights, it's worth trying. If you have an older hoopty, is it worth trying? Yeah, if you're bored, yeah, go ahead.
If you got nothing to do on a winter day and you got cabin fever and you want to go in your garage and mess around with your hoopty, go ahead and buy it. Go to Walmart, wherever the hell they sell this stuff. Go ahead and try it and mess around.
Or you might actually be able to save a little bit of money if you just go out and buy like the wet sanding paper
and the polish yourself, like the actual
and polish. You might be able to save a few bucks if you want to do it that route, but
I don't know. Yeah. Put it down in the comments if you guys can tell any difference between these and if you think it's worth it. If you tried it, I think the best, like I said before, I think either buy new headlights altogether or do it the way detailers do it, and like Matt said, go and buy the polish and sand.
Yeah. But I think the worst part about it is I'm gonna quote 2 hours on this, $125 an hour. Yeah. So what is it?
We won't even work on it. It hasn't even been an hour.
It
hasn't even been an hour.
Yeah, but you always get upcharge a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna code Nick $250.
Oh yeah. Well, either way, that's
negotiable.
That's the end of this video. Follow us on Instagram at the 40 Brothers, and give us a like, share this video if you want to share it, comment if you want to comment on it. But we'll see you guys in the next video.